Hey friends, the holiday collection launches at 9 a.m. September 9th. Y'all, I just wanted to give you this quick video overview of all the goodness. Y'all, there's so many fun things, so many things to create for gift giving, so many things to create for yourself and get together with friends. I am so in love, and I know you will be too. So I wanted you to be the first one to see all this wonderful stuff, designs, stencils, heat transfer designs. Y'all, there's so much fun stuff. There's fun, there's traditional, there's something for the pups, there's something to put on your old windows. Oh my gosh, nutcrackers, you name it, we got it. So, tell me what you like, tell me what you love, and tell me what you can't wait to grab because I want it all and I cannot wait to share some ideas with you guys. So, of course, I'm going to order mine, try to get them here as fast as possible so we can start creating together. But I really want to know what your favorite item is. So tell me in the comments. And listen, I'll see you guys later. Enjoy the video. Watch it as many times as you need to. Thank you so much.